what's up? Again, we are going to bring in a very interesting and a very innovative material in front of you today. We are going to watch a product which I'm sure none of you have experienced till date. It's a very innovative and new material in the market. So without wasting any time, let's go and see exactly what product this is. So guys, let me introduce you to Mr. Praveen. He's the director of Engraved Interiors and he represents Nakshatra Clipso, the product that we are going to talk about today, North India. So let's understand, Mr. Praveen, exactly what this product is all about, and let our viewers get a complete understanding about this very innovative material that we are looking at over here. And they will gain some knowledge that exactly how we can use this product in their projects. So we want to give them a highlight about how they can make the best use of these kind of products with their product.
So I'll start with this our very basic range. We call it opaque fabric ceiling. This is a perfect replacement of POP and gypsum and any other regular ceiling. And the best part is the installation time is very fast. We just need a peripheral support to fix these grippers, and the fabric is just stuck inside the grippers, and you can see the finishing. Not only the installation time is very fast, the finishing is so smooth, so dilution free that you will literally fall in love with the finish. This is an antibacterial material, antimicrobial, and this is paintable as well as printable fabric, and it comes with an absolute guarantee of 10 years. It has got a coating, anti-static coating, which due to which it becomes water and dust repellent. So as soon as we talk about the fabric, the first thing comes to our mind is that it will, discolor, it will fray. But that is not the case with this fabric, because this is a technical fabric from France. So we are giving an absolute guarantee of 10 years. It won't fray, it won't discolor, it won't sag. And the maximum coverage which we offer with these kind of ceilings is 5 meter by 50 meters in a single piece without any joint. That is the best part. So supposingly if you have to cover a larger area, so it can be done in a very short span of time with an absolute perfect finish. Next come is this plain translucent fabric ceiling. This is basically a backlit fabric from which light comes out. So now is the trend where you need to have a mass in terms of lighting, in terms of any ceiling or any coverings. Like you can see here, we have displayed a bar counter kind of image. So you can see the uniformity of light. Here we have played with the colors and the fabric. So if you are a designer, you can always play with the fabric and the lights. So you can use your creativity. And being a fabric, it can be molded to any shape, a round shape, cornices, wavy pattern, circular pattern. Like this is a very interesting shape which has been developed by us. This is a fabric with a gradient kind of effect. Both of the fabrics, plain and this translucent, are printable. Grey onyx backlit. So this is giving you a actual real onyx.
Can we actually put off the light and see the difference between the illuminated part and... So this is what we are seeing right now. One is the illuminated fabric. When we put off the light, and again when you put on the light, this is the effect that you get.
These are the shutters in which you can use any kind of fabrics. This can be used for partitions of any kind of banquet halls or any other area you want. Any kind of prints can be used on over here. We have used acoustic fabric, which absorbs the sounds. The width and the size of the frame can be customized as per the requirement. Like we have used on the ceiling, it's about 150 mm thick frame which is backlit.
And we can actually print this out.
Yes, yes,
We can print out the fabric and make it backlit.
yes.
So basically our
And
users...
any kind of image can be printed on the fabric. It's not that we have got some predefined fabric, predefined print, sorry. Like you can see the color. We have got a very special printing technology with us. You know, you can see each and every color is coming out so well. Because the printing is also been done on a 16 head printing machine. It's not a regular 4 head machine. It's a 16 head machine. And we are giving guarantee on prints as well.
What is the guarantee on the print?
5 years. Fabric is guaranteed for 10 years and the prints for 5 years. And it's a high resolution digital UV coated print. So this is acoustic fabric printed. Again, the size is not a problem. We can give you any size up to 5 meter by 50 meter in a single piece. Any kind of prints can be done. And the NRC we offer with this fabric is 1, absolute 1. We can give you an effect of backlit as well in the acoustic thing. You can see the ceiling. We have created a slanted effect. It's a mixture of plain and a translucent fabric. You can see how many joints are there, and if you can just close up over here, there 4 different kind of fabrics are meeting over here, and you can see the perfect joint. That is the best part and the USP of our fabric, that we can give you a perfect joint. There is no entry for any dust or any kind of insect.
This is one of the most amazing things that we are looking at. So we are basically using a fabric, creating walls, creating textures, and we are creating a lot of self-lit stuffs over here. So you can see that the entire wall is becoming lit, entire ceiling is becoming lit. So I think there is one very interesting thing that you would like to know, and we'll show it over here. We'll just take it up to the ceiling right now and show you what is happening in the ceiling. So this is something amazing. So we can actually create levels within the ceiling as much as we want. We can create illuminations within the ceiling, no separate light fixtures required. The entire ceiling can work for you as a light fixture. That is something very interesting that we are looking at this point of time with this particular product.
There's one more thing which I forgot to mention. If you talk about services, any kind of services can be incorporated in this fabric. The spotlights, the fixtures, even the camera, any kind of services are easily incorporated in this fabric. From how many places we have punctured the fabric, and it won't fray even by 1 mm, and we are giving an absolute guarantee for that. The best thing which is our USP if we talk about Nakshatra Clipso is that this is PVC free fabric. It's a green product and it's antibacterial and antimicrobial. It's 100% PVC free.
This is an amazing thing that we are looking at today. I'm sure all the viewers today looking at this particular product have got something very unique to use for their projects, all the projects that they are doing. A very, very kind of we can say that this is a very kind of an excellent product which can be used in many diverse ways. as per your requirement. You can create lights out of it, you can create walls out of it, you can create ceilings out of it. So the options are numerous. So it all depends on you that how you want to use this product now. I hope you people like this edition and you like the product. If you really love the product, the descriptions of where to connect and how to connect with the concerned person are given in the descriptions. Go to the description and you can connect with them. Thanks a lot.